Good afternoon, students. Today we'll solve some exercise problem based on probability. Three coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. 3 heads 23 times, 2 heads 72 times, 1 head 77 times, no head 28 times. We are tossing a coin 200 times. We are getting the results as 3 heads. 3 coins ಅನ್ನು 200 times toss ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ at a time 3 head 23 times ಬಂದಿದೆ. 2 heads 72 times, 1 head 77, no head 28 times. If 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. Here what we need to find the probability of coming 2 heads. Therefore, number of times 2 head come up is equal to 72 times. Total number of times the coin is tossed is equal to 200. Therefore, what is the probability of 2 heads coming up? 72 by 200, that is equal to 9 by 25. Next, an organization selected 2,400 families at random. They are going to collect the information of the vehicles. The information gathered is listed here. Monthly income less than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13, 13 to 16, more than 16,000 is given. Vehicles per family, one family ki ಎಷ್ಟು vehicles ಇದೆ, less than 7,000 ದುಡಿಯೋರು, that is how many number of families, 0 vehicles ಇರೋದು 10 families ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 1 vehicle ಇರೋದು 160 families, 2 vehicles ಇರೋದು 25, above 2 ಇರೋದು 0. Next, the person who are earning 7,000 to 10,000, 0 vehicles. Next, 1 vehicle ಇರೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು families ಇದೆ, 305, 2 vehicles ಇರೋದು 27, above 2 ಇರೋದು 2. Therefore, in this way they had given. Here, suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family per month exactly 2 vehicles, exactly 1 vehicle, and less than 7 per month does not have any vehicle. Owning more vehicle than more than 2 vehicles, owning not more than 1 vehicle. Now we need to find the probability of this one. Therefore, total number of families are 2,400. Number of families earning 10,000 to 13,000 are exactly 2 vehicles. Andre 2 vehicles ಇರೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು 29 families ಇದೆ. Therefore, what is the probability? 29 by 2,400. That is, the probability of the family chosen earning is rupees 10,000 to 13,000 is equal to having 2 vehicles is equal to 29 by 2,400. Next, number of families earning 16,000, they are having the vehicles, owning exactly 1 vehicle, having how many families? 579. Therefore, the probability is 579 by 2,400. Next, number of families earning less than 7,000 and does not own any vehicle. Adara ಎಷ್ಟು families ಇದೆ? 10 families. Therefore, what is the probability? Means 10 by 2,400, that is 1 by 240. Number of families earning 13 to 16,000, more than 2 vehicles ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು families? 25 families. Therefore, what is the probability? 25 by 2,400, that is 1 by 96. Number of families owning not more than 1 vehicle is equal to 10 plus 160 plus 0 plus 305 plus 1 plus 535, and that is here, this is equal to 2,062. The probability that the family chosen not more than 1 vehicle is equal to 2,062 divided by 2,400, that is equal to 1031 divided by 1,200. Next problem, to know the opinion of the students about the subject statistic, a survey of 200 was conducted, the data is recorded. Opinion: liking the subject 135 members, disliking 65 members. We need to find the probability. Statistic does not like it. Total number of students 200 students, 135 plus 65. Number of students who like statistic 135. Therefore, the probability that the students like statistic is equal to 135 by 200, that is equal to 27 by 40. Number of students who do not like statistic is equal to 65. Therefore, the probability that the student does not like statistic is equal to 65 by 200 is equal to 13 by 40. Next, 11 bags of wheat flour each mark 5 kg. actually contain the following weights of flour. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contain more than 5 kg. More than 5 kg ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ? 5.051, 5.082, 5.033, 5, 4, 5.066, 5.087, 5.048, 5.079. Therefore, here we need to consider more than 5 kg. That is 5 we will not consider. Total number of bags here are 11. Number of bags containing more than 5 kg flour is 7 bags. Therefore, the probability that any of the bags chosen at random contain more than 5 kg of